welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this is going to be start of an exciting series because I'm going to Korea. Anyways, it's literally 2 days before the trip, and I am currently packing because I don't plan on doing a lot of shopping when I go to Korea this year, so I'm packing a lot of my clothes instead. So let's get to it. Alright, progress are made. I packed all my clothes. I know it's kind of a lot, but on that side it's all the gifts for my family. And then here are all my outfits, my tripod, shoes, socks, undies, everything. So baggage claim is all done. Are you curious? I'm going to Korea. Hey guys, so I finished work and today's the day before the flight. I'm currently on my way to Walgreens so I can get my COVID testing done. So come with me. I am very scared of COVID testing because I just don't, it's very invasive obviously. So, but yeah, I'm getting 2 types, PCR and rapid, because just in case. So let's go.
Hi, do you have your ID?
Yes, I do. Yeah, so I signed up for PCR and a rapid.
Okay.
Yeah. Woo. This hits. Good morning. It's about 9. I got dressed. This is my airport fit. I'm wearing H&M sweatshirt, CDG shirt, and H&M matching sweatpants. And yeah. I'm leaving the house around like 10:30ish because I have a TC pre-check and I already got a boarding pass. I already pre-checked in, so I'm all good to go. Alright, we are all packed and ready to go. Still hasn't hit me yet though that I'm going to Korea, so I don't know. I'm like more nervous than excited. I don't know. Goodbye, home. I'll see you later. We're here. I don't know, I'm so nervous. Are you nervous, Mom? Why? You're not going. I'm going. But alright, I'm afraid that my baggage claim suitcase is really heavy. I think I overpacked, so I'm kind of worried. Oh my god. Got hash browns and coffee. I'm high-key very brave to even drink Dunkin' coffee before the flight. If I poop on the flight, game over.
힘들진 않대?
브이로그 만들고 있어. Look at my dad's whip. What? Wow.
성균관,
Hello.
지방에 있는 학교라고 할 수 있는 향교라고 볼 수가 있는데요. 이런 성균관
아빠 저 책들 아빠 여기
Dr. Park!
여기 봐봐야지.
와우.
아빠 신분증, 응? 아빠 태그.
대박이다.
태그. 근데 불나가지고 아빠 지금 책들.
와.
아빠 여기. 자, 쉐나. 아빠가 돈 얼마?
I have cavities. He's just gonna use an explorer and poke it around. But it's funny because our conversation makes sense. We're both in dental field, so.
한번 봐봐.
네.
조금 이거는 뭐 그렇게 크진 않으니까 될 것 같고. 여기가 조금 충치가 있죠. 이제 봐봐.
First meal of the day in Korea. Woo. 맛있겠다.
여기다.
In 500 meters, turn right.
I can't sleep. First meal at my grandparents' house. We have 육개장. And then we have all the side dishes. Woohoo! There is this like sunda place that like an old grandma used to sell, and I grew up like eating that. She's still here. Oh no, sorry, that one. Sorry, I'm like walking and filming. That's the store. That's crazy. 안녕.
누구요?
유튜브 만들고 있어요.
응?
영상 만들고 있으니까 안녕해요. 안녕. So we're walking to Daiso right now.
지금 유튜브 만들고 있다고?
네. It's been like a 20-minute walk. I'm freaking sweaty. Like.
그거 어디서 만들어?
YouTube. We are here at Daiso. Woohoo! I'm buying this soju. These gel stickers are like everything. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Wow. This was my childhood snack. It's crazy. And this too. Oh my god. Another Korean snack. Wow. My parents would never let me eat this. I got the goods. I'll do a whole separate video on what I got because I want to do a haul video, but basically I couldn't film a lot since my grandpa was nagging at me and judging me for the things I bought, so all of them had his voice in it. So unfortunately I couldn't get a lot of clips, but forgive me. Alright, we are stopping by like a convenience store that has no one. Ooh. Okay, I'm definitely getting this one. I'm also gonna get this one. It's my childhood ice cream. 할아버지는요? Wow. Oh my gosh, if you watch Anne in Seoul, you guys know what this is. You can get like packs and then make a drink. Let's try this. 할아버지 골랐어요? Okay, I'm gonna try paying it.
고객님, 카드 투입 후에 신용카드 IC 지불 위로 가여 딸깍 느끼kind으로 끝까지 넣어주세요. 결제가 완료되었습니다. 이용하신 카드는 제자리에 놓아주세요.
That's it. 맛있어요?
다행히 설탕 넣고 이게 이런 건 맛없는 게 아이스크림 맛있지. 그런 거 먹어보지면.
I like how he's like, oh, like snacks are so bad for you, and then sometimes if I buy snacks, he would get one, and then if I ask him if it's good, he's always like, yeah, of course it tastes good, and then he's like laughing about it.